Good morning to all the students. Students, this lesson is for class 7th for the subject of chemistry, topic physical and chemical changes, which is covered in chapter 2, physical and chemical changes, starting on page number 12 of your textbook titled Concise Chemistry by Selena Publication, and is being submitted to you on 26th April 2021. This voice is of Mohinisha Thakur. All students may now please open page number 12 of your notebook in front of you. If all students are ready, then let us start with this chapter. All students may now please listen carefully. Students, we can observe so many changes in our surroundings and nature, like growing of plants and animals, burning of matchstick, ripening of fruits, melting of ice, changes of day and night, rusting of iron, etc. Let us find out now what happens to the substance during a change. Students, on page number 2 of the notes, which is sent on 26th April 2021, there are some pictures drawn through which you will able to get know that how the chemical change take place. In the first diagram, there is a diagram of raw mango. After ripening the mango, it will change the color. So it is showing change in chemical reaction. Similarly, it is a sapling plant. On changing in shape and size, a plant become like this, that you may observe the picture. Similarly, water is changed in hardness, that is the ice. So, it is clear now that when changes take place, the substances may change their color, shape, size, hardness, etc. There are many changes going around us. Every change going around us, every change is of different nature. There is always a reason behind every change. Let us classify these changes to understand them better. Now, we will discuss the non-periodic changes. So, students, non-periodic changes are not repeated at regular intervals and occur irregularly. Examples: earthquakes, dust storm, sudden shower of rain, thunder and lightning. Now we will discuss desirable and undesirable changes. So students, there is a term desirable changes. So these changes are useful to mankind. Examples: changing milk into curd, cooking food, ripening of fruits, drying of clothes. Whereas undesirable changes, these changes are not useful to us and brings destruction. Example: earthquake, rusting of iron, floods and epidemics. So students, changes that can be desirable as well as undesirable. Number 1 is cutting of trees. It includes desirable, provides wood for cooking, and in undesirable, damages environment. Number 2 is rain. For this, the desirable timely arrival of rain is good for farmers, and on the other hand, undesirable ultimately arrival of rain can cause flood and destruction. Students, now we will discuss the next topic of this chapter, which is reversible and irreversible changes. So students, reversible and irreversible change. We have studied about so many changes taking place around us. When we keep water in the freezer, it changes into ice, and if you keep this ice at room temperature for some time, it melts and changes back to water. Water on cooling give ice, on vice versa ice on heating give water. So this type of change, which can be reversed by changing the continuous, is known as reversible change. Example: vaporization of water, melting of wax, stretching of rubber band, dissolving sugar into water. If you burn a paper, it changes into ash. We cannot get the paper back from ash. A ripened mango cannot be changed into raw mango again. Milk changed into curd cannot be obtained back. Such type of changes where a substance cannot be brought back to its original state is known as irreversible change.